Anchisa from Ling, and today you will have a Thai lesson with me again in the topic of Thai food. And today is our special video that we create different from the normal video. And I also have a special guest for us. Ta-da! Please welcome Ananda.
Hello everyone, I'm Anuna from Ling. So as you can see, we have a lot of food today. Should we start?
Yes, and today's topic is the Thai food, and the one we choose are one of the in the top list of Thai food if you came to Thailand, right? And I will specific one by one, which is Som Tam, one of the most famous, or Thai salad, Tom Yam Goong, Pad Kra Prao, Pad Thai Goong, and Khao Man Gai. And I will get into detail one by one later on. And we also have Thank you, sorry. Yes.
Okay.
This is the first place we call chicken boiled with steamed rice, or in Thai, Khao Man Gai, right? And the main ingredient is the chicken. The chicken, this can be any part, but you have to steam it with the garlic, pepper, right? And then with the rice, and you put a little bit of the oil in the rice, so it's called Khao Man Gai, right?
And we normally eat khao man gai with this kind of sauce. It's like sauce made of black sauce and chili paste. Not chili paste, just chili and a garlic and also the bean paste.
And these foods is very famous in southern part. Like they eat it as a breakfast. Yeah. So let's try it.
Okay,
can
sure.
you put the sauce first? If you want to eat it properly as a Thai people, right? You put the sauce in and then you mix it around first, right?
Yeah,
To see the texture of it, right? Yeah. Now, Ananda, you can try.
Okay. Actually, this one is my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, I like khao man gai.
Have you tried like khao mok gai?
Yeah, sure.
I can insert the picture here. Khao mok gai is another kind of southern breakfast. We call it actually yellow rice. We put some kind of curry, a special curry in it, and make it taste like tamarind, I guess. And then we put the chicken on it too, so it's called khao mok gai. Yeah. อร่อยไหม
อร่อย
อร่อย
มา
ไหม is the way you want to ask people that is this taste good? Do you like it?
And I answer อร่อยมาก it means it's very delicious.
Yes.
Okay, you can
It
try.
is? I'm trying.
With chicken.
Oh.
Good, right? Okay, and I think that's the first one. We can move on to the second one.
Let's move on to the next one. This is a set of food. We are eating like a Thai culture. In Thai culture, we have sharing culture, which means doesn't matter you are in a big family, small family, or you are just friend, or you just meet. We will have a sharing food. We don't eat one by one. We will have a kind of different 4 or 5 food. Depends on the people, right? And then we will have a rice. Rice is very important to Thailand. That Thai people eat rice as the main food.
Yeah.
It's like bread in
Yeah.
Europe, bread. Yes, and today we have 3 different dishes. Start with Tom Yam Goong, or Thai spicy soups, Pad Kapao Gai, or basil stir fry with chicken, and the last one is green curry. And all the meat here you can change it to whatever you like. For example, this one can be Tom Yam Gai or Thai spicy soup with chicken. Yeah. And you can see that we have a rice in the middle, because the rice is very important, as I mentioned before, right? And let's start to the first one.
Okay. You can try it first.
Okay.
How was it?
It's kind of like the first time that it get in your mouth, it feel a little bit spicy. Be careful, guys. But then the taste after that can be a little bit of sour and sweet, and it tastes very, very good when it's going together. You can try.
เผ็ดนิดหน่อย
Ah, what does it mean?
It means a little bit spicy, but a little bit spicy in Thai is just for Thai people, but I think foreigner maybe is too
spicy. So maybe you can order them as like เอาไม่เผ็ดค่ะ or ไม่เผ็ดครับ if you want to learn more about this, like how do you order the food, right, you can go on our previous video where Ananda teaching and just the main ingredient of this, there will be a mushroom, galangal, kaffir lime leaf and lemongrass, right?
It's normally like it's Thai herb.
Like it's Thai herb. Move to the next one. Thai basil stir fry with chicken. The meat you can change that I mentioned before. This one contain of the long bean, meat, chili, and some of like oyster sauce. Yeah. And the main character is the basil because it's basil stir fry.
It will make the food like with smell, right?
Yeah, it can give you the smell of it and also like make the food taste a little bit spicy, but not the same kind of spicy with the chili. The another kind is it will give you a hot feeling in your mouth when you eat it. Yeah, let's have a try and I love it so much.
Me too, but normally I will eat this one with pork. It's like pork. I don't like chicken that much.
Right. The last one of these sets, green curry with chicken. It look very green. I mean, yeah, it's weird. It look very green, but like in these we will have like a chili and then a curry paste, especially green curry paste, which made as specialized by Thai people. We don't have it outside, and even though it look green, but it's spicy. It even spicier than this one and this one. So be careful when you order it, and it can be like it put a lot of coconut milk as a main character, so you can taste of the, I don't know how to say it, like coconut oil. During like you eating.
So like as you can see, if you put a lot of coconut milk in it, it will be this thick. But it tastes good.
Really good.
Okay, should we try?
Yeah, of course.
And we can explain about the ingredient later on.
Green curry in Thai is we call Kaeng Khiao Wan, right? And Kaeng Khiao Wan means Kaeng is curry, Khiao is green, and Wan means sweet because the taste of the main taste, another main taste of it are sweetness. We also can taste the sweetness of it with the spice in it, and it's very good together.
Okay.
To the next one, this one is pad Thai or noodles stir fry with Thai special sauce, and the sauce are different. It depends on people. I mean, because like someone do it with sweet chili sauce, which is very easy and very taste good, and then some people do it with tamarind sauce. So it depends on how do you want it. And normally we will do the pad Thai with the shrimp, or we call pad Thai Goong, but you can also still change another meat that you like. Right now we have mixed it all and put the lamb on top already, and we are going to taste it now.
Okay.รสชาติเป็นยังไงบ้าง
หวานนิดหน่อย
Okay, so the conversation we just made, I asked her how it tastes.
And then I answer her that like it's a little bit sweet for me. I mean,
Yeah, I think it's sweet for me as well.
because I think from the restaurant that we buy, I think they use tamarind sauce because tamarind sauce can give you a sour and also a little more sweet than sweet sour sauce. Yeah.
But it tastes
Still
still good.
Yeah, it's like I don't know if we are hungry or what, but all our taste very good.
Yeah.
And yeah.
We are the food.
And some more Thai lesson for you guys, right? One of the main ingredient where it's optional too that you can put or not is
No, it's optional.
yeah, it is that like
Okay.
when my mom ordering, she can say that like no tofu.
Oh,
yeah,
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one is tofu or tau hu, and the kind that you use for the pad Thai are tau hu เหลือง or yellow tofu, right? Yeah. And Yeah. All good. Alright. Come to the last one. It is Som Tam. Are you full yet?
Not yet.
Okay, we can go on to. This one is the Som Tam or Thai papaya salad, and the main ingredient of it are the papaya or malako, tomato or
มะเขือ
มะ
เท
เขือเท
ศ
ศ. And another one that is very important is the long bean or ถั่วฝักยาว and then when you slice the papaya you can also put the carrot on it too. And carrot in Thai is also carrot, yeah. And the taste of it is mostly a little bit spicy, and it would be too spicy for foreigner for sure. So when you order it, don't forget that I have teach before you said my pet, so you can eat it peacefully.
And actually Thai, like Som Tam in Thai we have like many kind.
Yes, very. You can have like a corn Thai salad or Som Tam ข้าวโพด or can be like crab Thai salad or Som Tamปู. You see, even a big animal can be a Som Tam too. And like, we are very creative on this. I think.
Yeah.
We were very creative on this. For example, another one that I think is very interesting for Som Tam in Thai, right, is mixed Som Tam or Som Tam Sua.
Yeah.
Som Tam Sua. Sua is the Thai language which means mixed it all, right?
Oh, I just know that.
Yeah.
It's not like the Thai word.
Yeah, it's Thai Northernese.
Yeah.
Thai Northernese word, right? And for Tam Sua, right, we also put the rice noodle in Som
Yeah.
Tam. You see how creative we are, and it tastes so good. I mean, that's my favorite of this Thai, like Som Tam, right? And one more important thing that you have to eat with whenever you have Som Tam, you also have to eat this thing. What is it, Ananda?
It's ไก่ย่าง or it's grilled chicken. And also we normally we will eat Som Tam with the sticky rice, or we call it Khao Khiao in Thai.
But right now we are really like almost full, not yet, but almost full. So we like try to avoid the rice.
Yeah. Okay, should we try?
Yes, of course.
Eat Som Tam.
It looks so good. Oh my god.
Som Tam is the best.
Even like we have it all food before, we supposed to be full, but we not. And it tastes really good. I mean, at first you will feel the like the papaya taste, and then the spicy come later, and then the sour and sweet. Oh my god.
And also here, the bean. It's made. I think it's made the Som Tam more
Better.
Yeah, it's better with bean.
Did you try the ไก่ย่าง?
Why?
Yeah, thank you, Nanda.
So good.
See the way how Thai people eat it. You eat Som Tam with ไก่ย่าง and ข้าวเหนียว or sticky rice. Yeah. Oh my god, tastes so good. So Ananda, after we finish it all today, right now we are going to rank which one is our favorite. Start from you.
I would say green curry because I like the coconut taste and the coconut milk. Yeah, coconut milk lover. And how about you?
Obviously, I will use Som Tam. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I don't know why, but like the texture of it, the mix of it, and it's not like too heavy. Like I mean, it's not ricy, it's not streamy like coconut milk or everything. It's more. It is Thai salad, you know, and it tastes good. And when it comes with the ไก่ย่าง and ข้าวเหนียว and everything, oh my god, I love it. I just love it. I recommend you guys to try all of the food that we ate today because like we have like well thinking, well choose that like which one should be presented to you guys. And today that our Thai lesson, that I hope you learn something from it and you get fun watching us.
And also don't forget to like comment below which one is your favorite dish, Thai dish.
Give us the reason please, so we would love to read it and then So we can think like, is you guys think the same with me with
Yeah.
Handa or something? It can be any Thai food that
Yes.
doesn't have to be in our video, right? So don't forget to comment below. And before we leave today, don't forget to subscribe us, please. So we will have a more special video like
Yes.
this. And if you have any idea that like you want us to do which content to teach Thai, right? And as a special clip like this, you can comment below too, and we will sure adapt it to our video. And I think that's it for today.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys. See you again next week. Bye
Bye.
bye.